What we gonna do outside? Man, I don't even know. But now we start school again, man. When did y'all start? Yesterday. Holy crap. Uh, hate when school starts so quickly, man. And then, oh my god. On the first day of school, you had no idea what's going on. But until the teachers, counselors, and anybody else told you, man, you absolutely know what's going on then. Yeah. Oh my god. So what grade y'all in now? I'm in 11th grade.
Me too. I'm in 12th grade.
I'm also in 12th grade.
Yeah, I'm in 12th grade.
12, baby.
12. 12.
Oh yeah, baby. 12. Then what about the rest of them over there? Oh, hey, chica. What now? I got two favorite. Well, I got one favorite for you, but can I ask you one question real quick? Yeah, what? All right, man. So, why you knucklehead? I smack you. Oh! Now, there's one favor I need from you is, can you ask the crew over there what grade they're in school? All right, y'all. What now, chica? What grade y'all in school? Well, wait, I'm confused.
Oh yeah, the last episode, Chica's voice was nice.
Oh my god, she just growled at Carl for saying his thing?
Wow.
Well, whatever. Alright, anyways, what grade are we in? Alright, I'm in 12th grade.
12. 8.
11.
8. 12.
12 also. Dang, all y'all in 12th grade and y'all two in 8 and you in 11? Yeah. Jeez. Oh, what you got? Alright, so. What was that, man? I don't know what that was. Man, what was that? Man, to be honest, that's my hiccups. Your hiccups? Yeah. Oh my god, dude. Dude, what the freak? Right, man. What the heck? Oh my god, man. Just like Carl had the hiccups in January, now you had the hiccups? Yep. Oh my god. So what? Alright, so straight away already we might just like have you get scared. Alright, man. And or something else, I don't even know. Oh man. But who should I get scared by? I don't know, anybody. Oh, how about this? How about this, man? How about this? Oh my god. Hey, what up, man? Alright, so Toy Body, what up? I need you to like just close your eyes real quick. Just close your eyes. Alright, man. My eyes are closed. Alright. And then be ready for the ultimate stuff. Alright, what? It's gonna happen around 3, 2, 1. Forward. Crawl! Ah! What the bruh? Did they just pop in my ear? Yeah, we did. Yeah, boy. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, that did scare me out of nowhere. Yeah. Oh my god. Since you scream, man, did that get rid of your hiccups? Nope. What the? Oh my god, man. We might have other ways to scare you. Besides just popping your ear. What is it then? Oh, how about this? Oh. How about this, man? Alright, what? Oh, you close your eyes again. Yeah. Alright. Eyes are closed. Alright. And then be prepared for this one this time. Alright, what? It's gonna happen around 4. Crawl! 3, 2, 1. Forward. Crawl! Come on, man! Ah! Dang! What licked your ear? Oh, that did make me scream because I didn't see that coming out, and I hadn't seen that coming. Yeah. Now that you scream a second time, did your hiccups go away? Nope. What? Oh my god! No, that can't be it. That can't be it, man. What can we do, man? I have no idea what, man. Oh my god, we might find something different then. Yeah, pretty much, man. Find something different. Oh, I got an idea. Alright, this is the last time, Toy Marty, for real. Yeah, close your eyes again. Alright, last time y'all said, eyes closed. Alright. Because this might scare him this time. Yeah. And Carl, go ahead and do the countdown. Alright. You ready, man? Yeah. Alright, so. Alright. So. You ready for me? Yeah. Alright then. Forward crawl! 3, 2, 1. Forward crawl! Ah! Come on, man! We scared you again. 3 times in a row. Don't make that vlog. Oh my gosh, man. Oh my god. Don't scare me again, man. But did it work? Nope. What the? Oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh. Boy, now how are we gonna scare you again, man? Man, how about you quit trying? Alright, man. We quit trying? Alright then. What else could work? Oh yeah, try drinking water, Toy Bunny. Oh yeah, I never tried that. Oh man, alright. Man. We'll try again. Oh yeah. And if this works, then y'all can thank me. Yeah, he'll be thanking us too. Alright then. Boo! Ah, come on, dude! Man, you said you wasn't gonna try anymore. Well, we lied. Are you for real? Yeah. Yeah, we got you, man. Oh my god. Man, if y'all do that again, man, I'll slap y'all. But did that work? Either one of those? Yeah, either one of those. The hiccups. Did the hiccups run from us stereo again or the water? It didn't seem like it worked from any of them. What can we do then?
I don't know.
Y'all tried scaring him 4 times. Cowboy! And then he drank water. What we gonna do?
I don't even know, to be honest. Me neither.
Well, we're running out of ideas.
I don't know. Me neither.
Oh my gosh, man. I don't know. I don't even know what to think about. Or maybe Toy Bonnie asked one of them over there. Or Chica. No, I don't think Chica will work. Alright. You said what about me? He said what about me? He said you wouldn't scare him or make him like get the hiccup cure. Oh, yeah. So he's asking the crew over there, not you. All right. So y'all, what up, TB? What was that? Oh my God, that was my hiccups.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh my God, Toy Bonnie, did you try what Carl did in January?
Mr. Carl?
Oh yeah, I forgot you wasn't here, Cream. So you wasn't here when Carl had the hiccups. It was January 14, 6 days before you got here. Also Shadow. So Carl had the hiccups back in January, and then I told him to hold his breath for 12 seconds and then wait there for 5 minutes, and then if it came back or not, then if it doesn't come back, then they got his hiccups cure.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Ooh. Well, I didn't know about that.
Whoa, I didn't know about that either. So anyways, yeah, did you try it yet, tall buddy? Nah, but I think it was like a lucky chance for Carl to get that. So I don't think it will work for me. Just try it out, man, at least once. Alright. Alright, you got a few more seconds left. Alright, 10, 11, 12. Oh no, no, we just gotta sit here 5 minutes and then see if it worked. Alright then. Alright. Or let's go for 6 just in case if it comes in by 5 minutes. Because you could be right. Alright then. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. Let's wait one last minute just in case. I knew it! I knew it too! Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought it would work over there, right? I think I just got in it by lucky chance. You did. Oh my god. But me, oh my god. Now how you gonna get rid of your hiccups, man? Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What can we do?
I don't know. I don't know either.
Oh, baby. I don't even know. Oh. I guess it is, Chica. Yeah, so Chica, you got your chance now. Alright, finally. So, Toy Barney. What up, Chica? Alright, God. So, I just want to tell you a scary story. What? Alright, so, the scary story that one kid that wasn't even 10 years old yet, like, they were like 8 years old, they got lost in the woods where bears are at. Bears? Yeah, like tall grizzly bears. Alright. And then, once that 8-year-old boy got lost in the woods with scary bears, the bear was trying to eat him. Oh, shoot! Oh no. So, he's trying to eat the boy, but since he can't eat the boy, then you know, he might as well try to rip him apart to eat him. Oh my god. Especially an 8-year-old. Yeah, that's crazy, right? Then what else? Oh my god. The terrible thing happened is when the bear tear the 8-year-old apart, he started going for other people as well. Oh my god. And then instead of the bear eating the entire, oh my god, instead of the bear tearing apart like people to try to eat their parts, then what happened? Oh my gosh. The bear instead, I can't believe I'm saying this in a while, but the bear, oh my god, the bear what? The bear, I'm thinking, oh my god. Oh, I got it. So the bear was putting honey on the human. Honey? Yeah. You mean from beehives? Yeah. Oh my gosh. And then, oh my god, this was disgusting too. Disgusting? Oh my god. Disgusting was, oh my god. The bear was licking all the honey off of the human being before he even ate him. And then now the scariest part is of the story, and this is the last part. Alright, what? So the scariest part is the bear ate all the people in the world. Oh my god. Yeah. Now the bear might come for you next. Oh! Oh my god, that was funny to be honest. Yeah. So now, that's the end of the story. The end. Oh dang, I ain't gonna lie, that was scary. Yeah.
Oh.
So now that should get rid of his hiccups. Alright then. Alright. Let's wait here for a few minutes and then see. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's been 6 minutes and it didn't come back since then. Oh my god. Yeah, boy! Oh my god. Oh yeah, boy. Alright, man. So it worked? Yeah, from Chica. I thought it would work from you most definitely. Yeah. But it worked from Chica.
Wow, that's great, Mr. Toyibody.
Yeah.
That's great, man. Yeah.
Great indeed, man.
Well, okay then.
Yeah. Oh my god, that scary story Chica just told me, man, was terrifying, man. I don't want to go through that in real life. Me neither. But luckily it's just a story, not a real life stuff. Luckily it was just a cartoon story. It's not like a real life story. So anyways. Yeah. Chica got rid of my hiccups.
Oh, yes, you did, man.
Yeah, man. Well, that story was terrifying. Yeah, you know it, man. I don't want to be eaten by a bear.
Me neither. And then what? I don't want to get honey on.
Yeah, or get licked on from the honey.
Yeah, that is disgusting right there. Yeah.
Oh, I hope we're all nut next after that. Yeah. Alright, now we should stop with all this crap